So hello दोस्तों, this is our third lecture in series of Ramsar sites in different states and UTs of India. Here we'll see the Ramsar sites of UP, Uttar Pradesh. So you can see here, this is the physical map of Uttar Pradesh. This is simply your Google map in terrain mode. You can here easily see the valleys, the inclinations, declinations, etc. and the direction of drainage in UP of different rivers basically. So firstly we'll see the different Ramsar sites in UP. These are Haidarpur wetland, then there is your Upper Ganga river stretch, then Sandy bird sanctuary, then Saman bird sanctuary, then Keetham lake which is also known as Sursagar lake, then Sarsai Nawar Jheel, Nawabganj bird sanctuary whose name has been changed recently in 2015 or 2016 I think, then Samaspur bird sanctuary, then your Parvati Arga bird sanctuary, then your Bakhira sanctuary, I'm sorry. So let's further proceed. Firstly, we'll see about these Ramsar sites bit by bit. So firstly, this is your Bakhira sanctuary, which is basically the largest natural floodplain wetland of India. Then it is located in Sant Kabir Nagar district of UP. Then second one is your Haidarpur wetland, which is located near Bijnor Ganga Barrage, which is there in Hastinapur Wildlife Sanctuary. It lies on Central Asian flyways and located in border of two districts, basically Muzaffarnagar and Bijnor district. Then there is Nawabganj Bird Sanctuary. Earlier also we have talked about that it has been renamed as Shahid Chandrasekhar Azad Bird Sanctuary in 2015. It is located in Unnao district. Then Parvati Arga Bird Sanctuary. The sanctuary consists of two lakes. First one is your Parvati Tal, then your Arga Tal. Both lakes are oxbow lakes formed by Saryu rivers and located in Gonda district of UP. Then Saman Bird Sanctuary. The Saman Bird Sanctuary is also an oxbow lake. It basically have a oxbow lake in it and located in Mainpuri district. Then Samaspur Bird Sanctuary, which is located in Raebareli district. Then Sandy Bird Sanctuary, also known as Dahar Jheel, and river Gara passes near it. It is located in Hardoi district. Then Sarsai Nawar Jheel, which is a bird sanctuary located in Etawah district, and it aims to conserve water birds like Saras crane. Then Sur Sarovar Jheel, which is also known as Keetham Jheel, which is located in Agra district on Agra-Delhi highway. It encloses a sloth bear rescue facility, which is known as Agra Bear Rescue Facility, to rehabilitate previously enslaved dancing bears. Then your Upper Ganga river stretch, a shallow river stretch from Bridge Ghat, which is located in Hapur district, to Narora. 85-kilometer stretch is this, and Narora is located in your Bulandshahr district. So Ganges river dolphin, ghadial, etc. found in this stretch, and it is located in Hapur and Bulandshahr district. Thank you.